Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create agent using the LangChain framework. In LangChain, an agent is a component that uses language models to perform tasks by interacting with various tools and external resources. Agents are designed to process complex queries or tasks by determining which tools to use and in what sequence. And there are two types of tools an agent can use: inbuilt tools and custom tools. Let's start. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Create the virtual environment and activate the virtual environment. Create the requirement txt and install all the required libraries. Run this command. All the required library has been installed. Step 2. Setting the API key. Next, we'll set our OpenAI API key. This key allows us to access the GPT 3.5 turbo model, which powers our agent. Create .env file and keep the OpenAI API key in .env file. Step 3. Initializing the language model. Now, we initialize the GPT 3.5 turbo model from OpenAI. This model will handle the natural language processing for our agent. Import load_dotenv. From dotenv import load_dotenv. Import OS. OpenAI_API_key equals OS. Getenv. OpenAI_API_key. LLM equals chat OpenAI. Model equals GPT 3.5. Turbo. 0125. From LangChain_OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Step 4. Creating tools. First, we will use inbuilt tools for fetch the information from the Wikipedia and the math tool for the calculation task. We need two tools, one for searching Wikipedia and another for performing math calculations. Let's create them. From LangChain_community, utilities import Wikipedia API wrapper. From LangChain, agents import tool. Wikipedia equals Wikipedia API wrapper. Wikipedia_tool equals tool. Name equals Wikipedia. Func equals Wikipedia.run. Description equals a useful tool for searching the internet. To find information on world events, issues, dates, years, etc. Worth. Using for general topics. Use precise questions. From LangChain, chains import LLM math chain. Problem_chain equals LLM math chain. From _LLM, LLM equals LLM. Math_tool equals tooled. From _function, name equals calculator. Func equals problem_chain.run. Description equals useful for when you need to answer questions. About math. This tool is only for math questions and nothing else. Only input. Math expressions. Step 5. Combining tools. These tools are then combined into a list, making it easy to manage them together. Tools equals math_tool, Wikipedia_tool. Step 6. Getting the prompt template. Next, we pull a predefined prompt template from the LangChain hub. From LangChain import hub. Prompt equals hub.pull, watches 17/OpenAI tools agent. Step 7. Creating the agent. With our tools and prompt ready, we can now create the tool calling agent. From LangChain, agents import create_tool_calling_agent. Agent equals create_tool_calling_agent. LLM, tools, prompt. Step 8. Creating the agent executor. Next, create an agent executor to run the agent with the defined tools. From LangChain, agents import agent executor. Agent_executor equals agent executor. Agent equals agent. Tools equals tools. Verbose equals true. Step 9. Invoking the agent. Finally, we invoke the agent with a specific input. Output equals agent_executor. Invoke. Input, search for the current age of Joe Biden and square the age of Joe Biden. Step 10. Output. Let's see the result of our agent's calculations. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've successfully created an agent that can search for information online and perform math calculations. Now we will see how can we create the custom tools in LangChain. First, we will delete the inbuilt tools. Let's import tool. From LangChain_core.tools import tool. Hashtag custom tools. At tool. Def multiply. First underscore int. Int. Second underscore int. Int. Dash int. Multiply two integers together. Return first underscore int asterisk second underscore int. At tool. Def add. First underscore int. Int. Second underscore int. Int. Dash int. Add two integers. Return first underscore int plus second underscore int. At tool. Def exponentiate. Base. Int exponent. Int. Dash int. Exponentiate the base to the exponent power. Return base asterisk asterisk exponent. We have created the three custom tools for multiplication, addition, and exponential. Now write them in tools. Tools equals multiply, add, exponentiate. Now change the input in agent executor. Input, take 3 to the 5th power and multiply that by the sum of 12 and 3, then square the whole result. And run the program. As you can see, the agent is working fine. So agents are very powerful to complete any specified tasks. In today's video, we covered how can we create agents in LangChain, and how can we use inbuilt tools and custom tools in agents. That's it for today's video.